All right, so I'm gonna show you how to kind of do some yard work and gardening and really anything up high. So the two areas to focus on when you're working up high, really three. One is that when you are working high, just think about having relaxed shoulders. You're not necessarily going to squeeze your shoulder blades back like we talk about a lot, but you're just kind of keeping the shoulders relaxed, because what will happen is we'll just end up shrugging our shoulders. So just kind of think about keeping the shoulders out of the ears. That just will allow it so you don't kind of overuse your upper trap. You make your rotator cuff and your other muscles around your shoulder blade work a little harder, which is good. The other thing is just to kind of avoid hinging at your neck as you're up there. So just think about staying kind of tall, and when you look up, kind of looking up more from your chest. And then that takes us right into the third one of just making sure that you're not leaning back too much into your low back as you're working overhead. So a lot of people will be here. So you kind of want to really think about more staying tall through your glutes and tall through your chest without going back into your low back. And so how you put that all together is tall through the glutes and through the chest, and then going up. Not shrugging up here, just staying relaxed. I am looking up from my neck, but I'm not hinging, and just working through there. So that's how you can kind of think about working up tall and whatnot with just kind of proper posture and everything. So have fun working overhead and getting those trees looking well.